I'm Tricia Wise-Draper, the medical director of the Cancer Clinical Trials Office for the University of Cincinnati Cancer Institute. Clinical trials are critically important in order to bring new medications to every cancer patient.
I was cancer-free for the better part of 3 years, and then I had a recurrence. And this time it was a bit more aggressive, and so the total removal of my tongue.
Clinical trials are the only way to test new drugs, and they also give hope to patients that otherwise may not have any other treatment options.
So I'm not a candidate for any more radiation, so really this was the only real choice.
Sometimes a clinical trial, especially phase 1, is the next step, where it gives you that hope. It may not work, and we're honest about that, but it may work, and it may give you that next chance.
I fly up here every 4 weeks from Orlando, Florida, because this is the only trial for this particular drug.
I have patients that fly from California, Georgia, and Florida right now in order to get onto some of our phase 1 trials. And that's important because those trials aren't offered in their areas. And so our goal here in Cincinnati is that we can offer those groundbreaking trials so that our patients don't have to travel. We are trying to make sure that we're bringing only drugs that, 1, we think are really going to work, and 2, that we think are going to be safe for the patient.
I'm doing this for myself, but I'm doing this for my family, more than anything else. That's why I do everything, and so this was important, that I take a proactive role in my treatment and hopefully have more time with them.
Yes, you're testing a drug that other patients don't get, but it's also an opportunity to get a drug that may work better. If we don't do these clinical trials, these drugs will never get to market. It means that we'll never be able to give it to all patients. So any drug that we give right now for any cancer patient had to go through clinical trials first.